This is Weed-inator. It is a slow release fertilizer you put out in the early spring for your turf. It kills weeds, broadleaf weeds, just about every broadleaf weed out there. It has dicamba in it, which is the herbicide, but it also has chlorofluorinol, which is a growth regulator. So it slows your grass down, it slows your weeds down, so they'll take in the chemical better. This was invented about 13 years ago, and we're the only person in the country that makes this product with this chemical. So the green and the blue is what we call urea form. It's water insoluble nitrogen. So you can water, and this stuff will not go anywhere. It waits for the soil microbes to break it down so that then it can be used by the plant. This chemistry, I've been using it since the 80s. And the good landscapers that are really professional, that's what they use on their turf. And so it's a 20-5-10. And like I said, you can put it out in early spring, even before your grass is growing, and it'll lay there. The fertilizer will lay there. The weed control will start killing weeds. And then when your grass warms up a little bit later, this stuff will start releasing, and it will release over 6 months.